I've gotten close to 1 billion views on my main YouTube channel, and somehow, I was still doing something wrong. Not small wrong, like this could mess up my entire strategy in 2026 wrong, and I didn't even realize it until a few days ago. Because right now, YouTube is quietly changing the game, and most creators, they're getting cooked, and they don't even know why. Let me explain. Short-form content exploded. Everyone jumped in. Everyone copied what worked. And for a while, that actually worked. But now, the system is overloaded. And when that happens, YouTube doesn't reward more of the same. It starts cleaning house. So what you're seeing right now isn't random. It's not shadow bans. It's not bad luck. It's a filter. And if you don't understand it, you can waste months posting with zero growth. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 8 types of content YouTube is quietly killing, why it's happening, and what actually wins in 2026. And trust me, this part right here could literally save your channel. 1. Stolen content. This is the easiest one. Taking someone else's video, adding captions, AI voice, posting it like it's yours. Let's be real, that's not content, that's copy-paste. And here's the problem, it's too easy. If my grandma can do it, millions of people can. And when millions of people do the same thing, the feed becomes garbage. So what does YouTube do? They limit it, hard. And yeah, some channels are still making money doing it, but that doesn't mean it's safe. It just means they haven't been hit yet. 2. Clip farming. Movie clips, podcast clips, stream clips, entire channels built on content they don't own. Now you might say, but I add commentary. Cool, sometimes that works. But here's the truth. YouTube doesn't fully trust it anymore. Because again, too easy, too repeatable, too replaceable. If your entire channel depends on content you don't own, you don't have a channel. You have a risk. 3. Fully AI content. Now listen, AI is powerful. I use it too. But there's a difference between using AI and letting AI be the creator. If your script, voice, visuals, everything is AI, then what makes your video different from the next 10,000? Nothing. That's the problem. Not AI itself, but no human fingerprint. 4. AI factory channels. This is where it gets dangerous. Not just the content, but the behavior. Uploading like a machine. No personality, no story, just pumping content. YouTube sees that, and it screams, spam. Real automation with strategy? That works. But full robot channels? They're getting flagged. 5. Template content. Same CapCut template, same transitions, same text style, same pacing. At first, templates help, but when everyone uses them, everything looks identical. And when everything looks identical, nothing stands out. YouTube notices, viewers notice, and those videos start dying. 6. Ranking/slideshow content. Top 5. Rank these. Best of. This used to go crazy, but now it's oversaturated. Because again, it's easy to mass produce. And when something becomes easy, it becomes disposable. 7. Meme loop content. You know this one. 1-second loops, forced replays, tricking retention. But here's the thing, YouTube isn't dumb. Fake retention not equal to real engagement. And once they detect that, it's over. 8. Re-uploads. This one is the fastest way to kill your channel. Same video, different crop, different caption, post again. That's not strategy, that's spam. And YouTube will shut it down, fast. So what now? If you're in one of these niches, don't panic. You're not done. But you are standing on unstable ground. Because what you're really asking isn't, what niche should I do? It's, what makes money fast with low effort? And here's the hard truth. those are always the first to die. What actually wins in 2026? The answer is simple, but most people won't do it. You need content that can't be copied in 10 minutes, has your voice, your brain, your perspective, feels like a person, not a system. Because when everything becomes automated, being human becomes the advantage. Think about it. When the feed is flooded with copy-paste content, what stands out? A real story, a real opinion, a real creator. Not perfection, not overproduction, just something that feels real. Ask yourself this. Before you post your next video, run this test. Could someone copy this in 10 minutes? If yes, you're in danger. If I remove the visuals, does the video still have value? If no, you're relying too much on footage. Does my channel feel like a person or a factory? Because people subscribe to people, not systems. If your views are down right now, that doesn't mean you failed. It might just mean you outgrew a strategy. And that's actually a good thing, because the creators who adapt now win.